My name is Nadernejad. I'm the director of Nadernejad Media Inc. And for the past 10 years, we've been helping people from all walks of life fix and improve their online reputations. People from all around the world who have used our services to improve their online presence. And now it's a time I want to put all my learnings into this course to teach you how to fix your own online presence, because there's nobody in the world better at doing that than you. You're going to write content, develop content that sounds like you, feels like you, and truly is authentically you. You can effectively push down negative content on the web. And we have so many tools available to us, even if you work a job, even if you're a busy person who goes beyond the 9 to 5 typical, who has a busy personal and family life. There is always at least some time in a day to fix your online presence. Better yet, I'm going to teach you how to use some of the best tools in the market, some are free and open source, and then there's also an option to purchase some to actually speed up the process. But regardless, you're going to be saving tons of money by doing it yourself. Not only that, you're going to put more rigor and excellence into your work. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about fixing your online presence, and also how to set yourself up for future success. So this course is going to go beyond just suppressing the links, but actually using communications planning I've used to help companies raise over $1 billion in Series C financing and do so much more, from individual brands to businesses. This course will cover everything. So if you have a reputation crisis, it's no longer going to be a crisis. We'll take care of it, and I'll see you in the course.